So, welcome to this video on the truth of the AI service-based industry. Okay, a lot of people look at AI, look at everything happening, want to be a part of it, want to implement it, but don't truly understand what this industry is based on, how you can take advantage of it, what are the better solutions versus what are the less better solutions, what are the scams, because frankly, if you've been following the channel for a while, I highly recommend you subscribe down below. By the way, we're on a mission to revamp the industry. But essentially, a lot of people get into the AI industry and think that it's just some kind of like magic, right? Either agencies think they're going to start selling AI and make millions, or you have people implementing AI thinking that it's going to revamp their entire business in the span of 30 days. And the truth is, in both cases, it's not true. Okay, AI is just a tool that will help you achieve your goals faster, but it's a tool. You have to know how to use that tool so that you can actually get the outcomes that you want. For example, I have a lot of businesses hop on calls with myself or my associates at my company, Kamilla.ai, and they tell us, hey, how come you guys offer such a high ticket, a big fully fledged solution when I can go and buy AI voice calling as a software for $300 a month? Okay. And the reality is you can do that. That's what we literally tell them all the time. You can go do it, but AI softwares, which is funny, they don't work if you don't know how to prompt them and test them correctly. So at the basis, every single AI software besides ChatGPT that you see out there doesn't work. Whether that's AI calling, SMS, or email, you have to actually hire a developer or have the knowledge yourself to actually build it out. And even in that scenario, it takes a lot of trial and error to actually get the outcomes you want. Now, if you're an agency, and this is where the AI industry kind of becomes like a cesspool, because there's a bunch of AI agencies just popping around, a bit like the SMMA craze 2-3 years ago. But essentially people start selling AI and they neither don't know how to prompt it, how to test it, how to actually build a system that will work in the real world. Okay, so this just floods the market. They sell solutions to businesses. Businesses are not happy. They got scammed. Those companies go out of business and the cycle repeats. And that just overall reduces people's image of AI. So you have those that think that AI is the greatest thing ever. Those that have been scammed that think that it's the worst thing, it doesn't work, or whatever, I can get it for super cheap and make it work. But the reality is somewhere in the middle, right? And the reality is, and the truth of the AI service industry is, you need a trustworthy company that actually has a team that has done what they say they do. Okay, so at my company, for example, we actually have a team of developers. We have a full sales team. We have, myself, my co-founder that oversee every single parts of the business to ensure that there's some kind of quality assurance, right? It's also the reason why we don't take on 1,000 clients a month, right? Or 100 clients a month. We really limit ourselves to perhaps the 5 to really maximum 10 clients a month. Okay. Number two is once you have that company, then you want to also have realistic expectations in the sense that even with a good company, AI is constantly evolving and it takes a lot of work to actually have a good AI system. So for ourselves, we've been able to reduce that time frame to about a month and a half, 2 months for the bigger businesses, but it does still take some involvement on the client's part in giving us the required information. And then the team is putting in a bunch of work, right? If you're going to build an in-house system for your business, it's going to cost you 20, 30, 40, 50K upfront in development costs, right? So you are, as a business owner, more incentivized to work with a company, but make sure you have the right company. And if you're an agency, then the same kind of thing applies. If you want to actually make it past this kind of gold rush of AI where everyone's just starting an AI agency, then you have to invest into a team, build a development team, have quality people, A players on your team that will actually A, implement on the current AI solutions available on the market and offering them to clients. But then number two, also staying in the loop of the most recent advancements so that your company is constantly relevant for months and years to come, right? And this is something that we've been focusing a lot at Kamilla.ai. If you're new, by the way, to the channel, you don't know what we do, click the first link in the description down below. But essentially, that's kind of the state of the AI industry. And like with anything in life, you want to be in the middle, okay? You want to kind of, yes, it's a great solution. No, it's not going to revamp your entire business in a single month, right? It'll take working with a great company, doing your due diligence, then getting quality developers to do quality work, to build a quality system, to get quality results in the long term, the 3, 6, 12-month period, rather than the 1 month, I need an immediate ROI period, right? But you also don't want to be super pessimistic of AI solutions of like, it's all BS, it doesn't work, because the reality is any business that isn't implementing or using AI actively in 2025, and more specifically the good AI that's up to date, well then you're going to be left in the dust, and or your margins are just going to become increasingly smaller and smaller, and you're not going to be competitive. So on that note, if you guys like these type of little rant videos, comment down below if you want to see any other subjects that I actually break down regarding the AI industry, online business, or anything in that realm. So leave your comments down below, helps a ton with the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel. We're on a mission to revamp this entire AI service industry from the cesspool that it is, providing you guys with the best up-to-date information regarding AI systems. So subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.